Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer EBT cash to a bank account in 2025. If you're receiving EBT benefits, like SNAP or cash assistance, transferring funds to your bank can make managing your money easier and more convenient. Let's dive right in. First things first, what is EBT? It's the Electronic Benefits Transfer System, which allows you to access government benefits electronically. In 2025, the process has been streamlined with updated apps and online portals, but always check your state's specific guidelines since rules can vary. Step 1. Verify your EBT balance. Log into your EBT account through the official website or mobile app. Most states use platforms like ConnectEBT, so make sure you're on the secure site to avoid any scams. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer or Direct Deposit section. Look for options like Add Bank Account or Transfer Funds. You'll need to provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Double-check these details to prevent any errors. Step 3. Link your bank account. The system might require verification, such as a small test deposit or answering security questions. This is for your protection, so don't skip it. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Select the amount you want to move from your EBT cash balance. Remember, you can't transfer food benefits, only cash ones. Confirm the transaction, and you'll get a confirmation code or email. Step 5. Wait for processing. In 2025, many transfers happen within 1 to 3 business days, but fees might apply depending on your state or bank. Always review for any costs up front. A quick tip: if you're unsure, contact your state's EBT helpline or visit their website for the latest updates. And remember, this process helps you avoid carrying cash and makes budgeting simpler. There you have it. Transferring EBT cash is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.